In this course, we're gonna cover those methods: get, post, delete, put, patch. The get method, we're gonna use it to get the data from the database. For example, to get our box from the database. The post method we're gonna use to add the box to database, and delete to remove the box from the database, and put and patch to update the data in the database. For example, the name of the author of the book or price of the book or something like this. Now let's start to make our first request. Let's get those book lists. This array has 3 books. Let's fetch those books. We have here a new React Native project, the simple project. Here in app.tsx, we're going to use async await. So let's create an async function. But first, we're going to use a package called Axios. We can add it to our project using npm install Axios or yarn add Axios. Since I'm using yarn, so I will use yarn. So let's create our function. Const get box equals to async function. Async function is a function to handle asynchronous operations that we described before. Const response equals to await Axios. Let's import Axios first. Import Axios from Axios. Axios.get, we're gonna use .get, and we just pass the URL that we want to fetch. This URL, the list of books. Okay. Const, let's log the response, log response.data. And now let's call this function getBox and see the log. Now we have here the data. The data, we have access to it. I will use a trick here to format this data. I will just type JSON.stringify. It's a simple tip, but it will be useful for you. Null, just add null, those 2 parameters, null and 3. Well, now we have our array list with the 3 box. Great, isn't it? That was our first request, and it's get request. We use just an async await this time. Later we're gonna learn .then.catch method to fetch APIs. Okay? You can see here the data of our API that's saved in the database, but it's not formatted. Is there a way to format them? Of course there is a way. You just open Web Store, Chrome Web Store, and search with JSON view, and select this extension and install it. Add Chrome, add extension. The link of this extension is in the description. So if we get back to this data and click refresh, look, our 3 box data in a formatted way. Great, isn't it?